Hello everyone. So today I'm very excited to be doing the largest canvas I've ever done. It is a 48 by 48 inch canvas, so 4 feet by 4 feet. It is an Artist Loft gallery wrapped heavy duty canvas. And my paints, I'm doing a wandering straight pour, and I'm using some paints that are mixed with Floetrol and Liquitex Gloss Medium with the green label. It's a kind of a medium consistency. It does leave a mound on a mound and leaves a nice trace, but it disappears fairly quickly. So this isn't the thickest consistency that you could use for a ring pour, but I should still get some really good cells. And I will tilt this fairly slowly also so I don't disrupt the lines too much. But this is a really nice medium consistency paint. So I'm ready to get started, and I hope you enjoy. So here's my color scheme. We have Liquitex Basics Mars Black. I have Liquitex Basics Titanium White mixed in with a little bit of Americana Decor Satin Enamels. And then I have this beautiful turquoise blue from Liquitex Basics, and I've mixed in a little bit of DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Teal so that that color is a little bit metallic. Liquitex Basics Phthalocyanine Blue. I think I got that right. This beautiful vibrant red color is Liquitex Basics Naphthol Crimson. And then we have Americana Decor Metallics 24 Karat Gold. And lastly, we have Prism Violet from Liquitex Professional Heavy Body. That one was a little bit lumpy when I stirred it up, so I've strained that. Hopefully I've gotten all of those out. But that is our color palette, and I'm ready to get started with the base coat and then layering the cup.
baby, I can't talk.
Keep talking good, keep talking sweet, keep sugar on, baby. I got you good, I got you sweet, got you on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Keep moving fast, keep moving slow, keep rhythm on, baby. You got me good, you got me sweet, got me on hold. Baby knows what I want, baby knows just how I'm feeling now. You got me locking, walking, stalking, rocking, freaking and freewheeling for a while. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what got off easy, darling. Got no more time for loving you. Yeah, I got off easy, baby. Got no more time for loving you. Ooh. No more pain, no more worries. Got no more time for loving you. No, they're coming to get me tomorrow. Got no more time for loving you. Oh, they're coming to get me tomorrow. Got no more time for loving you. No more pain, no more worries. I got no more time for loving you. No. If you ain't tired